Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. Today we are going to learn about the animated button with the loader in React Native. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Here you can see that the animated button with loader. So once it loads and it goes to that button part. Okay, any error, any API calls you can do midway. So let's see how we are going to implement in the React Native. Let's dive into the code level. So here we have a React and the use state from the React, then all of these from the React Native. Then we have the function animated button with the loader. So here we have the state initialization is loading, animation use state by default 0. So when I click on the button press, set is loading to be true. So loader is there. After that, sometimes after 2 seconds delay, we make that set is loading to be false. So whatever you want to add the logic, like simulate an asynchronous action, API request for the 2 seconds, or you can add your logic here after the action is completed. Okay, then here we have a function or method, you can say start animation. So here we have the animation timing, animation animated loop. Okay, then we have a stop animation also. So whenever you want to stop, you can also do that part. Okay, set the value to be 0. Rest we have the view part. So we have a touch opacity styles. Okay, on press handle button start animation, so it will do the animation with the button loader. Okay, disable loading. Then we have an activity indicator with the small, which we have in the form of the loader. Okay, so we have a click me, right? Then if there is a button, we have a stop animation. So here we have the stop animation part also. On press stop animation, the rest part is the CSS. Okay, container, button text, loader, stop button. Okay, then export this animated button with loader. Okay, so this is the full-fledged animated button with the loader. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.